Hi guys, this is 5 more phobias. Let's kick off with paraphobia. So people suffering from paraphobia are scared of perversion. They fear not just other people whom they consider sexual perverts, but they're actually scared of turning into one themselves. Sex for them has to be against a particularly strict code, and so paraphobia is more common for people who have a strong religious identity. This one is really difficult to pronounce. Epithalophobia, and it's also known as medenorthophobia or phallophobia, and that's the fear of the penis. Men and women can suffer from this phobia, but the consequences are completely different depending on if you're a man or woman. Men suffer from this phobia fear of getting erection. For women, it's the fear of seeing and touching a man's erect penis. Interestingly, there's quite a number of festivals around the world that celebrate the penis, notably one in Japan. Medenorthophobia, in other words, it's just performance anxiety taken to the most extreme level. Agoraphobia, which is different from agoraphobia. So agoraphobia is extremely common, and people who have suffered some kind of sexual abuse of the past or have witnessed something like that, it's a fear of being a victim of sexual abuse. However, it can happen to those who've never faced any kind of sexual assault as well. Urotopophobia, okay, it's not being frightened of the euro, and it's the opposite of phallophobia, which is the fear of the vagina, okay? While women with this phobia fear any kind of sexual stimulation, men fear seeing or coming in contact with a vagina. Venus trophophobia, this is the fear of beautiful women, and so beauty is obviously subjective. Doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, and men and women can suffer from this phobia. Men and women suffering from this phobia get scared of individuals they find particularly beautiful. They fear that they don't deserve such beauty, or they're worried that a woman's beauty could harm them in some manner. See you in the next episode. Take care.